Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the extreme outdoor village type 4G plus speed test and the download test comparison between the OnePlus Nord and the iQOO 7 device. So yes friends, you did see the thumbnail of 100 Mbps and I did receive the 100 Mbps right now, which I'll be showing you right now. So make sure to watch till end of the video friends. Don't try to skip any part because I did receive the 100 Mbps in the OnePlus Nord device, so that I'm saying it first itself. So make sure to watch the video. The results will be really interesting to watch. And I'm using the Jio SIM card during this time of testing, and I'll be first testing the 4G plus aggregation and then I'll try to test the speed test, and third step is to do the download test. So let's see which phone will be having the what kind of bandwidth and what kind of details. So in case if you like this kind of video, so make sure to comment below friends what are your comments on this kind of 4G plus extreme village types. If you want me to change any kind of settings, so make sure to let me know in the comments below. And it is a Jio 4G LTE 850 and 850, so both phones are having the same kind of LTE 850. So right now I'm not getting 4G plus, but after some time if I try to change the locations, then I'll be able to get the 4G plus aggregation. So make sure to use my links in the description friends to buy any kind of products from the Amazon. That will be really helpful for me, and that will be really good support as well in terms of making more and more videos. So make sure to use my links to buy any products. So let's test the first speed test. Let's see which phone will be having the better kind of speeds. That is what I'll try to focus. So right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G at this point, but definitely friends, you will be seeing that 100 Mbps of score so very soon, so stay tuned for that. So you will notice that. So right now both phones are not receiving any kind of 4G plus aggregation. You can clearly see that no aggregation is there right now, and both are getting close to each other only because both phones are getting same kind of bands at this point. There's nothing much difference you can actually observe, but there will be huge difference later on friends. I'll try to explain you why as well. So right now 22.3, 23.7 in the iQOO 7 device. So both phones I am trying to use only the Jio server. You can see clearly the Jio as well. So right now I did receive the 4G plus aggregation in the OnePlus Nord. As I said, the OnePlus Nord, sometimes I'll be able to get the 4G plus. So when I compare with the iQOO 7 device, I think the higher chance of getting 4G plus is possible in the OnePlus Nord in this point of location using the Jio SIM card. So using the Jio SIM card, that is what I did find out friends. And sometimes I used to get even 4 bands, 4cc I used to get. Right now I'm getting only 2cc, but sometimes I used to get 4cc and 3cc in the OnePlus Nord device, but not even 1c in the iQOO 7 device. But iQOO 7 also gets the 4G plus in some locations. As I said, right now as you can see friends, I did change my location, and iQOO 7 also is getting the 4G plus. You can clearly see iQOO 7 4G plus. So now let's test in this kind of speeds what we are getting. Jio 4G I'm trying to use friends. As you can see, this is the moment which I'm trying to talk about, 100 Mbps of speeds. As you can clearly see the OnePlus Nord and same SIM card, same location, and you can see how much improvement is there in the OnePlus Nord device. So speeds I'm getting, as you can see, even the iQOO 7 is also using the Jio 4G only, 4G plus as well, but still I'm getting the 27 Mbps and 100 Mbps in this OnePlus Nord device. You can clearly see the difference. So as I said, this depends upon the type of SIM you are using as well. So in my testing in the Jio SIM card, these are the results which I did find out right now. So even the second time I'm trying to do the test, second time it went up to 104 Mbps of testing. Wow, that's incredible friends. In this kind of extreme outdoor conditions, I'm trying to do complete village type testing friends. I did come here just for the sake of testing only. So you can clearly observe how much difference is there. Same SIM card, same Jio SIM network, at same location but different phones. So this will be the results friends. If you don't know what phone you are buying, so this will be definitely the case. So I'm trying to do the multiple time just to show you what is happening and why. So that is the reason I'm trying to do multiple times. Sometimes even the iQOO 7 also gets the high speeds. Yes, I do agree the iQOO 7 also gets sometimes the high speeds, but I can only trust OnePlus at this point in terms of the connectivity regarding the 4G. I'm saying only regarding the 4G connectivity, it's really stronger. Even the OnePlus Nord CE as well is stronger. I thought the price of this OnePlus Nord is really low when compared to the other OnePlus phones. I thought they will be using some kind of low quality connectivity, but that's not the case. I'm getting really strong signals in the OnePlus Nord at this point. I'm trying to show you as well what kind of bands I'm getting. So 3CE I'm getting here and 2CE I'm getting in the iQOO 7 device. So maybe this might be the reason why I'm getting the slow speeds in the iQOO 7 as well. So sometimes even the OnePlus Nord will get 4cc 4cc. Yes, sometimes I can actually get that kind of thing. And now let me try to do the download test. So now we just completed the speed test. Now it's the time to show you the download test, which phone will be able to download in this kind of speeds, which phone will be completing first. So let's see friends, you'll get to know quickly, as you can see. So by the time I focus my camera, the download has been completed in the OnePlus Nord, as you can see friends clearly. So by the time I focus, it's completely finished and installed, as you can see. I think it just took about maybe 5 seconds of time. So now it's the IQ7 finished, as you can clearly see friends. So I did not even focus properly. So sorry for that, I did not expect this kind of high speeds. As you can see clearly friends, I'm trying to use only OnePlus Nord device. So it's really good in terms of the speeds. And don't forget to check the links in description friends to buy the products. So make sure to use my links and let's see. So now I just want to observe the speeds, what I'm getting on the top. And let me try to focus properly. Let's see this time will I focus or not. So 11 Mbps of speeds I did observe friends, high speeds. So 11 Mbps high speeds in the OnePlus Nord, and let's see what is the high speeds in the IQ7 device. This is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to check which phone has got what kind of speeds, and 4 Mbps I'm getting download, 3. So 3 Mbps and 4 Mbps downloads I'm getting in the IQ7 device, but 11 Mbps of downloads in the OnePlus Nord device. That's really beautiful friends in the OnePlus Nord. It's really good. So I need to do plenty of comparisons friends with other smartphones, Realme X1 Max and other devices in terms of the comparing. So this is what I'm trying to show you exactly, doing multiple times and showing you the results, which phone is getting what kind of speeds. So you did see everything practically friends, and don't forget to check the links in description. And for more information, I'll try to do the video stabilization test as well, comparing both phones, camera samples and everything. So stay tuned for those videos which I'll be uploading really very soon, comparing both phones as well. So in case if you are interested in this kind of content, make sure to hit that like and also subscribe to my videos. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.